Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am here to show you a ton of different little recipe folio ideas, and I really hope you can gain some inspiration from these. I had so much fun teaching the class, and I wanted to show you how customizable it is. So these are all chipboard covers, and they all have like this nice little window right here on the front. I'll start out with the original. And I have the entire tutorial down in the description. The layout for the tutorial is this very one. So I cut up different little recipe cards here, and this holds a 3x5 recipe card. Nice, cute, small, traditional size there. So I ended up putting my own pictures. If you recognize this from one in the past, this is the same one. So this is one way that you can use this. I absolutely love how simple the craft looks. It's very organic and fun. And you could simply just find some of your favorite little magazines that you might have already at home and kind of just cut up some of the instructions and the recipe and find your little favorite spot of the photo and just cut it straight out of the magazine and assemble it on some cardstock and throw it on. So super cute. This one was matted with black, and then the magazine photograph was on the top. Mat it with some cardstock and then kind of highlight the areas. This is a working pocket right here on this little acetate little window, so you can slip in and out a picture or some recipes on there. And then that delicious, super cute captivation there. And then this one, who wants some carrot cake? How cute does this look? This can easily be a super quick gift for somebody. I love the way this one turned out. I actually have to give credit to Shane for this particular array of designs here. Look at this. He created a cute little pocket on his, so you could really just take this base and continue manipulating it based off the tutorial construction. So you got these two adorable little pullouts right here, tags with instructions on them in the shape of, look, little cutting boards. How cute is that? You can put your instructions on there. And he came back and used two papers from the Your Book of Memories Today paper pack. So he got like this nice black stripe page for a neutral tone. And there's another pocket down here for more instructions or little recipe cards to be stuck in. And then another beautiful magazine shot right here. And I just calligraphied carrot pie right here. I called it carrot cake. Carrot pie. Unreal. Love it. Instructions are inside there. And then here's the front. Isn't that just so cute? And then you could stick these really anywhere in here. And there's two little working pockets. So super fun little design to kind of play around with. And here's this next one. I just love the way this one turned out. Look at this. Unreal. You got like a nice little snapshot of just what it is going on in this recipe. And then some images here. Cute little pocket again and some instructions. So I thought that this was such a cute way to kind of just play with paper. Nice way to use scraps. A great way to put our magazines into like a pretty little book here. And there's even just a nature shot that you can put, even recipe books that you don't really open. Cut those pages and just kind of play with paper. I love it. That one's so cute. I like that white line going through the back. This is making me hungry. I think I might want some cinnamon rolls. Super cute. We ended up coming back here with a nice piece from my stash, actually. Backing all the instructions and having the beautiful little recipe just dispersed throughout this book. And then we kind of just tried to pair, Shane and I were working together, we tried to pair, hey, this paper kind of goes with this sort of color palette here for this photo of the beautiful little cinnamon rolls. And then we put our little instructions in there. Absolutely love this. A nice snapshot right on the front of the gorgeous completed meal. And then look how fun. You could just get the title, hover it right in the middle, and have that gorgeous picture showing through the back, showing through. Look at that. I ended up coming back calligraphy, ingredients and instructions. These are actually little cards. And these are all tuck spots. This was Shane's idea. He made tuck spots on the left, right, and top and bottom. And then the instructions are inside of a little card. How fun would this be to just kind of gift this to somebody on Christmas or even like a quick birthday gift? Like if somebody wants some recipe ideas. This would look aesthetic just propped up in the kitchen. Just in the kitchen like this. Up against near your cutting boards, whatever. Right on the countertop. Adorable. Now this was a bit of a more personalized, unique one here. This is actually a hiking book that Shane converted, right? So we go to our beautiful Pacheco State Park, and over at the park they've got this fun little Junior Ranger workbook. So it's got different little elements in here for kids and just for adults. And he ended up coming back and fussy cutting around some of these images in here and using the map as the mat here. So there's some history about the place, and he ended up creating his own book out of the recipe folio design. So here he came and just did this guy up. Is this not so adorable? We've got a black mat here since the map was just a little too small. He framed that gorgeously right there and fussy cut out one of these little images here from this map paper. I thought that was such a cute idea. This is 100% his idea. And maybe whatever hike you've been on, you can actually include this type of stuff. So right here on the inside of this one, we printed pictures for this particular one from actual hikes that we've been on in the area. So gorgeous little miner's lettuce and a deadlia. Absolutely beautiful. Love this picture. You notice those cute little characters he ended up cutting around them out of this page and putting them through the book. So some of the friends that we found along the way, he checkmarked them over here on this right-hand side. And again, we've got tuck spots on the left and right side for this book. He ended up actually adding flaps. So these little guys just kind of slip out. Love the California poppies. These open up. So he added some little black flaps here for extra contrast. And then you have a whole array of photos. How simple. You just print them out. These are 3.5 by 5 size pictures. Love this. This flower is so gorgeous. More deadlias there, and then Samson and I in the distance. You can assort this any which way you want. Beautiful rock structure there. These all come out. So these are little wallet size pictures. And then there's another beautiful picture on the back. And then all these come out. And you can even stick more little informative things, even if you wanted to put your own little twist on it and stick the map inside and make this your whole own activity book, or, you know, trim that down, shove it in, make it a total ephemeral experience and 100% customize it to your own liking. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? All just using the base design of the recipe folio. And you can assemble these in here any way you want. They don't even need to be neat like a gallery the way that I had it in the beginning. You could just kind of shove them anywhere and everywhere. Overlapping over each other, and then to close these flaps and keep them kind of tight, you could just shove another photo inside. He had a lot of fun putting this one together, and I felt really special to finally actually get some of our hiking pictures into a book. And it's a cute little fun activity book just using the map from the park and the little ranger workbook. I hope you had a fun time looking through these with me. I'll leave a link to the tutorial down in the description for you, and you can customize this any which way that you want and just use the recipe folio as a base. And all my class info is down in the description. Right now I have 83 classes. So if you wanted to become a member and craft with us, you'll gain access to every single class I've ever taught in my entire career. There's even a coupon down there for you. And I thank you everyone so much for spending your time again. It's been awesome to be here with you. I'll see you next time. Bye.